Black Friday sales from DJI. So guys, today is Monday and we only have 4 days left for Thanksgiving and 5 days left for Black Friday. And usually here in the United States, that's when most of the stores lower their products prices and they have amazing sales. So since one of my top favorite companies is DJI, today I will be talking about their sales and the specials that they're currently carrying. So currently DJI is having up to 46% off on some selected products. And this is going from November the 20th until November the 30th, 2020. At the top of their specials, they have the DJI Mavic Mini, which is the original Mini right here. I currently own the Fly More combo. I love this. I love this drone. It's amazing. I know the new Mini 2 is out, but I currently do not own the product. So the DJI Mavic Mini is going to be on sale for $359, and I believe you get a free gift, which is a canvas. The next product that will be on sale is the Osmo Action. I believe this is actually an amazing deal. Originally, this action camera was $369. Currently, it's going on sale for $199. And let's click on it. Not only that, you actually get a free gift, which is actually the Osmo Action charging kit. I believe that's an amazing deal to begin with. Next, they are having the Phantom Pro 4 B 2.0 at $1,518. This is down from $1,599. The original Osmo Pocket is going for $249. The Osmo Mobile 3 is going for $99. That's down from $119. The DJI Tello Boost Combo is going for $135. This is a pretty good drone, to actually be honest with you. And these are the deals that are the most popular. So once again, I love the DJI Mavic Mini. This is an amazing drone. If you're able to get it for $359, I believe, I'm not sure about this, but I think the Fly More combo will be on sale for $399. So if you wait just a few more days, I think this product will be on sale for $399, the Fly More combo. Now, if you're interested on any of the DJI products that are going to be on sale, once again, it's going to be from November the 20th up to November the 30th, 2020. I will be leaving the details just below. I will be leaving a link. So if you are considering buying this product, please click on the link below. You will be helping my channel. I'm going to start putting more time into my channel. I'm going to start doing more reviews. I'm going to start making more videos. I'm actually going to start talking about ND filters and so on, and also accessories for Apple computers. If this is something that you're interested on, please click like, subscribe, and help me grow this channel. I really appreciate your support, and take advantage of the sales, because DJI does not lower their prices that often, and I think this is going to be the lowest prices of the year. There might be some other offers by Christmas, but I'm not too sure about that. If I was you, I would take advantage of the current prices. Guys, once again, thank you. Thanks for your support. See you in the next one.